nonsense long enough. What rubbish? I'm not. No. What? It's too much now. It's too much. It's too much. What? I go tell that one today. I don't like that rubbish now. What? I don't like it. Somebody cannot have rest of mind in his own house. I don't like it.
What is it?
Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. No.
What do you know like?
No. It's too much.
Nothing too much.
It's too much. I cannot take it anymore.
You're making me scared.
I
Talk
cannot.
now. You know say this kind of thing go make person run.
For 2 years.
Eh?
For 2 years I've been enduring.
Serious?
I don't like it. I don't like it. No.
Okay, wetin be the person wey cause?
Is it too much? I don't like it.
What is it?
Is this woman? No. This woman. Hey, this my neighbor.
Jesus. Wetin happen oga Ben?
See. For 2 years now, I stayed in this house. I don't stay for this house for 2 years. I don't sleep. No, I don't like it.
What is it? Hey, madam, I don't dey suspect you. I don't dey suspect you. Wetin you no like? Make I know. Make village.
2 years wey I don't stay for this house.
2 years. Yes.
I do not have rest of mind.
What?
At night.
Wetin dey happen?
I know they get rest of mind for night.
But she's not your wife now.
This woman.
Yes. Oga Ben talk now. Make we settle this matter here.
Okay. This woman, she dey do snoring competition with me for night. This woman.
So it's because of ordinary snoring. In fact, thunder fire you, So all this, I think you are making all this noise because of ordinary snoring, All this is a better thing. So in fact, my boyfriend doesn't even complain, and you're complaining. Ordinary snoring, you know the shame. Ordinary snoring.
Hey, you don't do. So both of una get mine. Both of una, you just come say, I don't like it. You said you just don't come now. Wake me up from sleep because of snoring competition.
No.
If na ordinary story, you think I go come here? You think na ordinary story? You know that thing ordinary story. Ordinary story wey fit wake up generator.
Because of ordinary snoring.
Your story wey pass generator.
I go catch you. What dey do now? So that una still dey do ordinary snoring. Una come wake me up for better.
Na because you dey stay for back. If you dey stay for back, dey hear this guy snore.
If you dey hear your own self, in fact, my boyfriend is not even to complain, and he's
I cannot waste my time with you. Agree. The thing wey I go do for this compound. See, no worry. No worry now. The thing wey I go do for this compound. Tell you say you dey see am. No worry. Say me that ordinary story. No worry. The thing wey I go do you, no worry now.
Wait o. I no understand. So na this snoring na make una wake up for sleep like this.
Yeah, you don't smell me, my brother,
hey, daddy, you sleep better sleep. Hey, I don't almost shake hands with Buhari. Now this idiot for this compound. I go pack leave una for this compound. Snoring, ordinary snoring. Now they wake me up from sleep. Buhari almost shake me sef. Nonsense people.